Have you ever spent hours thinking about what to text your crush, only to delete the message and start over again? Or maybe you've tried acting cooler, funnier, or more interesting, hoping they'll finally notice you. But what if I told you the reason your crush isn't impressed might be because you're trying too hard? Psychologists have studied attraction for decades, and surprisingly, the people who attract others the most aren't usually the funniest, richest, or most popular. They simply understand a few powerful principles that most people completely miss. So in this video, I'll show you 6 psychology-backed ways to impress your crush without pretending to be someone you're not. And make sure you stay until the end. Because the last mistake is so common that it quietly destroys attraction before it even begins. Let's start with the mistake almost everyone makes: trying to look perfect. Number 1. Stop trying to look perfect. Here's something strange about human psychology. People don't connect with perfection. They connect with authenticity. Think about your closest friends. You probably don't like them because they're perfect. You like them because they're real. Yet around a crush, many people suddenly become actors. They carefully plan every text, every joke, every conversation, and instead of looking confident, they end up looking nervous. The truth? Your crush isn't looking for a perfect human. They're looking for a genuine one. The moment you stop performing, you become far more attractive. Number 2. Be interested, not interesting. Most people walk into a conversation thinking, how can I impress them? The better question is, how can I understand them? Psychology shows that people enjoy talking about themselves. In fact, studies have found that talking about ourselves activates reward centers in the brain. That's why great conversationalists aren't always the most interesting people. They're often the best listeners. Instead of trying to prove your value, show genuine curiosity. Ask thoughtful questions. Listen carefully. Remember small details. Because people rarely remember what you said, but they always remember how you made them feel. Number 3. Have a life outside your crush. This is where attraction gets really interesting. The more your happiness depends on one person, the less attractive you often appear. Imagine 2 people. One checks their phone every 5 minutes, hoping for a reply. The other is busy building skills, chasing goals, spending time with friends, and enjoying life. Which one seems more attractive? Exactly. Confidence isn't telling people you're valuable. It's showing them that your life already has value. People are naturally drawn toward those who have purpose, so stop making your crush the center of your universe. Make them a part of it. Number 4. Use the curiosity effect. Here's something most people accidentally destroy: mystery. Now, this doesn't mean playing games. It means allowing people to discover you over time. When someone knows everything about you immediately, their curiosity disappears. But when conversations reveal new things naturally, interest grows. Think about your favorite movie. If someone told you the entire plot in the first 5 minutes, would you still want to watch it? Probably not. The same principle applies to attraction. Curiosity creates attention. Attention creates attraction. Number 5. Make them feel good around you. This is one of the most powerful psychological principles you'll ever learn. People associate emotions with people. If someone consistently feels happy, relaxed, understood, and appreciated around you, their brain starts connecting those feelings to you. That's why genuine compliments matter. That's why remembering small details matters. That's why making someone feel seen matters. Not because it's a trick, but because it's human nature. Number 6. Stop chasing approval. And now the biggest mistake, the one that ruins attraction more than anything else: seeking approval. Many people spend so much energy trying to impress their crush that they forget to ask an important question. Do I even like this person that much? The moment your self-worth depends on someone else's opinion, you lose your power. Real confidence comes from knowing your value even if someone doesn't choose you. Ironically, that's often when people find you most attractive. So if you want to impress your crush, stop trying to impress them. Be genuine. Be curious. Build a life you enjoy, and let attraction happen naturally. Because the most attractive version of you isn't the one pretending to be perfect. It's the one that's real. Now tell me honestly, What's the biggest mistake people make around their crush? Comment below.